Hey, it's Todd the Dirt Man, and welcome back to another episode of Let's Get Dirty with the Dirt Man. I am Todd, but you already know who I am already, and we are going to be doing a dirty short today. It is called Dirty Portobello Mushrooms here. Okay, here's the ingredients. We're going to be using two different kinds of cheeses. You do not need to use two different kinds. I'm just going to do one with one kind of cheese, one with the other. This is going to be with the Parmesan Romano set of cheese. The other one we're going to use is the pepper jack cheese. I just love that flavor of the pepper jack. Kind of gets me excited. The beautiful Portobello mushrooms I absolutely love. And then we're going to use the Down and Dirty Marinade. Yes, and we're getting down and dirty. All right, so now we're going to put this thing together. So we get the bag, and we're going to put the Portobello mushrooms in here. This is so freaking simple, it's not even funny. And now we're going to use the Down and Dirty Marinade, and we're going to mix this in together. So just pour this right on top of the Portobello mushrooms. And we are going to close up the bag, get rid of the air, and we are going to mix this all up. Really nice and easy. Make sure we got plenty of the marinade mixed in together. We're going to actually let this sit for an hour. I should have said that. Should let this sit for an hour, then we're going to go outside. Todd the Dirt Man out here on his beautiful Weber grill. Oh, did I see Weber, Josh?
Yes, I did.
Which one? Was it you or is it me? I shouldn't mention it because we're not being sponsored by Weber. The Dirt Man is a huge Weber lover, but we're not being sponsored. We always should be. And we're out here doing our dirty Portobello mushrooms, and let's open this bad boy up. Now, one of the things I love to do is you can actually see all the marinade still on top. I'm gonna leave that on top just as so. Put that right on the grill. See how pretty that is, and we're going to leave that on there for about 3 to 4 minutes, and then I'm going to check on it. So we'll be right back. All right, let's check it out now. This is ready to go. Now look how beautiful this side is. Now, if the Dirt Man had planned this out correctly, he would have started with this side first and then flipped it over where I had the other side. I could put the cheese on there at the same time. But one of the keys here is we do want to put a little bit more marinade on top. Just to add more flavor. Look at that. Close it up. Another minute, we're going to flip this over. All right, now we're going to flip this over. Now we're going to put the cheese on top. So this one's getting the Parmesan Romano right on top of this. Oh, this is going to be pretty. It's pretty nice. We're getting down and dirty. And now the pepper jack cheese. Lay that right on top. Close up, another minute, we'll be ready to go. Look how pretty that is. Oh yeah. The close-up of that, Josh. This is gonna be amazing. Oh yeah. All right, now we're gonna try these dirty Portobello mushrooms with the Down and Dirty Marinade. Look how tender that is. Mmm. Mmm. Try that. You're gonna love that. Oh my God, the flavors on that is amazing.
Wow, that's really good.
Isn't that fantastic, Josh? Sorry, I was trying to pass it to you, but Josh took it from you, so blame Josh if you didn't get a bite of that one. Wow, so good, so much flavor. Makes a great side, but really good. You can actually just make it for yourself and put a side next to this because it's absolutely fantastic. But I think you're really gonna like it. And remember, it's always a good time to get dirty.